Alright, this is a video that will teach you on how you can create another Curious Cat account on your device. Maybe your Curious Cat account has been banned before and you have been trying to create another Curious Cat account on your phone, but it keeps getting banned, So even apart from using Island or using Dual Space, following this method will help you in creating another Curious Cat account. So what you need to do is that you will go to your settings, your full settings. That's what you will go to. You go to your full settings. Where is my full settings? So this is the same method I used that is work for me, and I have active Curious Cat accounts now. So once you go to your phone settings, then you go to Google. You come to this Google. I believe you can see it here. This Google. Yes. Then once you click on it, you click on Google, then you come to all services. Then click on it. Then you scroll down, you click on this ad over here. That's what you click on. Then you click on this. Make sure that you log out from all your survey accounts. Whenever you want to do this, log out from all your service accounts that you have. So you click on delete advertising ID. Then after you click on delete advertising ID, then you get a new advertising ID. You get a new advertising ID, and after you have gotten a new advertising ID, what you need to do is to, if you will notice that these numbers will change. If you get a new advertising ID, all these numbers is going to change. So once you have gotten a new advertising ID, then you go back, then you scroll up, you see this side, this one, this email. Then you are going to switch to the emails that you have used to create Curious Cat accounts before, that was banned. All the emails like that you have tried to create Curious Cat accounts before, you will select the emails that you used before that got banned. Once you select the emails that you used before, then I think this is the one that I have. Yes, this one is my current active Curious Cat account email. This is my correct. So once you have selected to the emails that you have used before that was banned, then you will scroll down. Then you look for connected apps. This. Then you click on it. Once you click on the connected apps, all right. So once you click on the connected apps, you will see it here. You see Curious Cat. If it's that you have used this email before for, what's it called? If that you have used this email for life points before, for um so if you have used it for life points before, queeming before, you will see everything over here. Just like this, the way that these Curious Cats appear here, you will see them here. But this email, I've only used it for this Curious Cat account before. And what you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on delete all connections. This, that's what you click on. You click on it. So once you click on it, you will delete. I will not be deleting my email because this is the emails that I currently have for my active Curious Cat account. So if this is the email that you have used for your former Curious Cat account that was banned, then what you need to do is to delete all connections with Curious Cat account. Then once you have done that, then what you need to do is to go back. Then you go to your Curious Cat account. You go to your Curious Cat app. Then you will uninstall and install it. That's what you're going to do. Uninstall your Curious Cat app and install it back. Then once you install it back, then you're going to open your Curious Cat account. It's not a must that you put your Curious Cat app in the freezer, but it is necessary that you put it inside freezer. So I'll just be logging in to my own. So once you have done that, just create a new account. That was what I did, and it worked for me. Make sure that you follow the steps. If you follow the steps, then it will surely work for you. Then let me connect my browsing, and it is because you might be facing this issue when you create a new Curious Cat account, that it will be showing that disable your VPN. Then what you need to do, you see my browser is already connected. Make sure that your browser is connected. Then if I go to the app, it will be showing me this. All right, you see, if you are facing this type of issue, it is very simple to solve. It is very simple to solve. So what you need to do is go back, just go back, minimize the app, then you off your data, off your mobile data. Once you off your mobile data, then make sure that your browser is connected or VPN. Then you go back to the app again, open it without owning your data. Open it without owning your data. All right, you see, this is it. Then you can now on your data back. Then once you on your data back, you can take survey. So you have already passed through the aspect of the stuff. So this is the Curious Cat account that I open. So let me just refresh. Let me refresh. You can see this is it. So even though I'm not serious with this Curious Cat account, this is the amount that I've made so far. I'm not even serious with it at all. Like I just open it just to test the updates. So this is just it. It's just little amount. So just small amount. So that's just it. That's how you can create a successful what is it called? Successful Curious Cat account. And you can also use the same method that imagine you create this. That's the first method, and the second method you can use is that once maybe you have another device and you have another, maybe you want to borrow your friend's phone and you open the Curious Cat account on your friend's phone, then you will come here, then you will come to settings, then you will create a new email at your own phone. Maybe you have been trying to create another account and it is getting bad, then you create a new email at your own phone, then your friend's phone that you used to create a Curious Cat account, due to the fact that you have not used it for Curious Cats before, then you are going to put that your new email that you created on your own phone, then you put it on your friend's phone, then you put it here. This is where you put it. Then you put it here. So once you put it here, your email, then they are going to send a verification link to your email. Then you will copy it. You will copy the link from your own phone. Then you will send it to your friend's phone. So it is on your friend's phone that the email too will be confirmed. So the email will be confirmed on your friend. Don't click the link on your own phone. No. Send the link to your friend's phone or anyone's phone, so that put the link there. Once the person has confirmed the link, then the email is going to change to that your new email that you create. So once you have done that, then you uninstall and install, and you will log in with the email. So it's going to work that way. So you can either use the first method or the second method, and it's going to work well. So that's all you need to do, and make sure that your this is where you are going to put your paper email for withdrawal. This is it. This is it. So that's all. That's all. So if you are confused, if you not get any step, kindly let me know. Thank you.